Hello, I'm John and I'm the creator of Feedback Bubble. I'm going to show you a quick run through of how this works and how it can make your users provide feedback, questions or any issues super easily. I'll first quickly explain how the app will work. You'll have something similar to this on your website by the end, a little bubble, and people can basically go in here, leave feedback, questions, any of that, send it to you, and it will appear on your dashboard in an inbox like this. I'll quickly show you how to set it up because it's really simple and super easy to do. What we can do is create a new bubble. And this is a very detailed customizer where you can choose lots of different settings and parameters, change the colors. Let's set it to orange, maybe one dark mode or bug icon. You can disable a few things like reply requests. You can change the exact text that shows on it as well. And let's just leave that and share a thought. All you need to do is set that up. We will take our website URL, paste it in here and press create bubble. What you'll do is you'll save that. You'll update the icon here if it's a website with a favicon so you can identify it better. And as you can see, we have a new little bubble created. If you click install, you can see how to set it up depending on what you're using. And as you can see, it says paste this before body. So what I'm going to do is copy that script, go to this page, and just above the tag to paste it, I will paste it there. Before I press save, let me quickly show you. This is the demo website. There's nothing on the bottom right. Once I save that, you'll see after a quick refresh, the bubble appears on the bottom right. Click on that. This is how it will look on your website. It will work and interact with dark mode or light mode because it left an auto, depending on what people want on your website. If we just leave a quick issue saying, hello, this is a test. And I'll also add an email in here. So test@test.com, and I'll submit that feedback. Done. What that will do now is when you go back to your inbox, you will see you've now received some feedback. So if you click on that, you can see the feedback the users left. You'll get some metadata about the page, what the viewport size was, the resolution, what browser they're using, so you can help debug any issues. Also, because of the option to leave an email, you can see I've left an email here. You can reply to people and say, can I get some more information about this issue? Or tell them that you've implemented that feature. So it'll help build client relations and people will really appreciate that. You can also then update that. So let's say it's in progress, and also resolved, done. And that's basically just a quick overview of what Feedback Bubble is and how you can set it up on your website. It's a super simple, easy to use platform. And as you can see, it's a very powerful little widget you can have on the bottom right. It has a lot of different features you can use. It's super simple. And of course, it looks beautiful, right? And this will look very nice on any website. If you want further information about this, you can just come to the website. You can go to the installation page, guides, read up about this. There's some docs. There's a lot of information on there. And if you still really need something, there'd be a contact me page here. You could just send me an email directly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.